Good morning students, welcome back to the class. In the previous class we have already learned how to represent a rational number into a decimal form. In this class we will be learning what are the terms involved in decimals such as period and periodicity. We will try to understand what is period and periodicity in this class. Before actually going into the topic, we will have a small look at your homework problems given yesterday. The homework problems which were given were 7 by 5. I hope you got 1.4. And the other problems were 3 by 4, which is 0.75, 23 by 10, which is 2.3. Okay, and I have also given some non-terminating decimals, right, such as probably 0.78 bar, okay, and 3.6262, so on. Now if you look at this carefully, these three are terminating. We have already seen this yesterday, and these two are non-terminating, right? These two are non-terminating. These two are non-terminating decimals, and these three are terminating decimals. I hope you all remember, right? So terminating decimals because they have decimal expansion which terminates, and non-terminating decimals which don't. Now coming to the topic of this period and periodicity. What is period and what is periodicity? Here if you see, non-terminating only are the things which have period and periodicity. Non-terminating decimals in which repetition is there. That is nothing but they are recurring decimals. What are these? These are divided into two. The first one is recurring decimals. Okay, so the second one is non-recurring. That means they are not repeating. If I have this example, 8 is indicated with a bar. That means 8 is being repeated. Here 6-2, here 6-2, next also 6-2, 6-2, 6-2. That means 6-2 is being repeated. Let us take an example which is non-recurring. For example, 1.37428932121, so on. If you see this decimal, there is nothing which is repeating, right? Every number is different. It is not coming again and again. But in this two, you have 8, that is 0.788888, so on, and 3.626262, so on. That means here 62 is being repeated, here 8 is being repeated. For this case, we will only see recurring decimals, non-terminating recurring decimals. We will have a close look at this. Now in this, 8 is being repeated. So the one which is being repeated is called period. What is that called? Period. So period is 8 for the first one. Okay, for the first one, period is 8. What is periodicity? Periodicity is the number of digits in the period. So in the period, how many digits are there? Only 1. So periodicity will become 1. Clear? The period in the first one is 8 because 8 is coming so many times. Okay, and periodicity is the number of digits in the period. Here how many digits are there in the period? Only 1. Now if you see the second example, can you tell what is the period in this? The period in this is, what is the numbers, digits which are repeated? 6, 2, 6, 2. So the period will become 6, 2. And what is the periodicity? The periodicity will become, how many digits are these? 2. So 2 will become the periodicity. I hope this is clear for you all. We'll just go for once again. For any non-terminating repeating decimal, for example, we'll take 7.693, where 93 is being repeated. As we have already discussed, that the bar above represents that the digits which are being repeated. So for this, what is the period? The period is the digits which are being repeated. So 9 and 3. And periodicity is the number of digits in the period. So there are 2 digits in this. So periodicity is 2. This we have already seen. Now there is one more small rule with which we can do a small terminating decimal. Whether it is a terminating decimal or a non-terminating decimal, we can tell without actually dividing the number. What is that? We will try to see it. The rule says the rational number p by q terminates if p comma q are coprime numbers. Coprime numbers are the numbers which have 1 as their HCF, as you can see in this slide. Or in other words, numbers having only 1 as their common factor are called coprime numbers. Denominator q has only the prime factors of the form having 2 or 5 or both 2 and 5. Now take a look at this table showing few rational numbers and their decimal forms. As you can clearly see that the rational numbers with 4, 25 and 10 as denominators are terminating decimals. But 9 is multiple of 3 and it is not in the required form. So it is non-terminating decimal. This is your worksheet for today. The first one is simple. You have to write what is the period and what is the periodicity for these decimals. The second one, based on the rule that we discussed, we have to find which of the following are terminating and non-terminating decimals.